Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. In this video, we are going to see Unit 3 poem A Voyage. Let us see the meaning first. Are you ready? Yeah. Hire. Used temporarily for some time for an agreed payment. Sail. Travel in a boat. Tremble, shake or quiver slightly. Fainted, lose consciousness for a long time. Next, we read the poem A Voyage. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat decided one morning to hire a boat to leave their own country and find a new one, very much in the manner Columbus had done. The boat went a-sailing, away and away. It sailed and they sailed, for a night and a day, for a night and a day. When all of a sudden there blew a great gale, the horse was a-tremble, the tiger grew pale, the ape and the goat nearly frightened together. But the boat went a-sailing in spite of bad weather. A-sailing, a-sailing, a-sailing it goes to a wonderful country which nobody knows. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat has found a new one as Columbus had done. It's very nice poem. In this poem, there were 4 friends, a horse, a tiger, an ape, and a goat. Okay, let's see the meaning of this poem. A voyage. Voyage means a long journey by sea. A long journey by sea. The horse, the tiger, the ape and the goat decided to hire a boat. They wanted to leave their own country and find a new one. Okay, they wanted to leave their own country and find a new one. Very much in the manner Columbus had done. Do you know about Columbus? He moved from Spain and find Columbus. Like that, they wanted find new one. The boat started sailing. Away and away, the boat sailed and they also sailed. How long? Do you know? Day and night. Okay. Day and night they sailed. And suddenly, there was a rough wind. It made the horse to tremble and the tiger's face become pale. The ape and the goat lost their conscience. The boat kept on sailing in spite of bad weather. The boat went a-sailing in spite of bad weather. Okay, next. A-sailing, a-sailing, a-sailing it goes. It was sailing and sailing and at last found a wonderful country which no one knew. Okay, to a wonderful country which nobody knows. Okay, next line. The poet concluded by saying that they had also found a new land like Columbus did. Columbus did like that, they found new one. Let's see the match. Pale, tremble, frightened. Pale, tiger, tremble, horse, fainter, ape. Next, choose the correct answer. The animal dash the boat by make hire. Which one is correct? The animal hire the boat. Very good. Suddenly There was a dash, rain, gale, thunder. Gale. Very good. Thank you, children.